Hey guys, Steve here. Today is Saturday, January 30th, 2021. I know it's been quite a while since I've talked to you guys. Haven't been able to get out and hunt much. But so I do have some pieces to share with you, so we'll go ahead and get started. So this first piece I actually got in the mail a couple days ago. Actually, this is another piece, golf piece, that I actually stumbled across on eBay probably some late night when I was just surfing eBay for stuff. As you can see, this is a IXO Tarmac exclusive. This is a Porsche 911 GT3R Golf, 12-hour 2018, and it's Tarmac Works, of course. So it came in a shipping container style packaging. So it's a very cool piece. I believe these are numbered. So I went ahead and got two. I'm actually in the process of changing my display cases around, so as soon as I can get that situated, I'll hopefully share with you an updated look at all my golf pieces, at least all my 1/64 pieces. But yeah, this is a very cool piece. It comes with in the shipping crate, and of course it opens up like this. Very detailed piece, as you can see. And then what it typically comes with, you can actually, as you can see, there's a kind of a window here. Let me go back out. There's a window piece here that slides out, and then you can actually close it off with the included other side of the container. And then it comes with a little card, which gives you some information. This certifies that this 1/64 scale model is a limited production model. So this is number 2712. I don't know out of how many. And I haven't looked at the actual number on the other one yet. I'll probably leave that sealed. But as you can see, it's pretty detailed. It's a nice piece. And very happy to have it, not only because it's a golf piece, but it's also because it's a Porsche piece. Not to mention the light blue golf piece. But you can see, very detailed. It's got the roll cage, even the antenna. Has that part there. So yeah, really nice piece. I have several IXO brand pieces. Most of them are actually, I think this is my first 1/64 scale IXO. The rest of the IXO stuff I have is 1/43. So yeah, they did a really nice job on this one. And it was pretty reasonable. The cost of it was, I think, maybe under $30, maybe $25, $26 shipped. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So there's that piece. All right, so also found this today. This is a brand new piece, new line, I guess. It's a Matchbox. Let me back up here. And so this is a new Matchbox Hitch and Haul. You know, everyone's getting, all the main diecast brands are getting into the hitch and trailer, hitch and haul, hitch and tow game. You know, obviously Greenlight started it. Johnny Lightning's into it now, of course. You know, there's a few other pieces. I think, is it Maisto or Jada has their own version of it as well. Not as good quality, but so now we have Matchbox in the game. And I don't really typically buy this stuff, but the reason why I got this one, is the specific one, is because I do collect the Matchbox ink pieces. So this is a nice addition to my collection. I believe I have them all. Funny thing is that this was the only one that was actually, and I found this at Walmart. This is the only one that was down the pegs. I don't even know what else is in this particular series or this particular release, other than what's on the picture here. So it looks like there's a Park and Recs, let's see, or something. Yeah, some kind of, looking in the other picture here of this one here. So it's obviously a Volkswagen with a little trailer there. So that might be the reason why I didn't find this, because it's a VW, and it's going to be obviously more popular than the ink stuff. So it's a VW Transporter cab with a traveler trailer, a chair, surfboards, and surf wave. But as you can see, with this particular set, it comes with a couple figures here. Be nice if they were painted. It's got a cement mixer, a truck, wheelbarrow, So yeah, it's a pretty cool piece. All right. Next piece I want to share with you. This came in the mail a couple of days ago as well. This is the GameStop, the most recent mail-in. This is the GameStop mail-in that happened, I guess, probably about a month ago now, right before Christmas, I guess. So this is the this is number 6, as you can see here, number 6 on the side. The number 6 mail-in, 2020 Collector's Edition. This is a 60s Ford Econoline pickup. And I only got one. I only really collect one of each now. I used to get a couple before when it was easier, but now things like GameStop or even like Kroger, which we don't have Krogers on here. You know, I just want one carded set and that's it. So, and if you look at some of my old video, a video I did probably about a month ago or so, I actually showcased all my mail-in sets that I had back since 2010, 2008, something like that. So check it out if you haven't seen it. But nice piece. Okay. Next, I finally found. So when these came out, I never got one, and then the black ones came out. But I finally actually stumbled across the first gray 2018 Bugatti Divo Matchbox. I finally was able to grab that one. Never found it, so found a couple of the black ones though. But yeah, glad I got this one to add to the collection. Nothing really fancy. It's pretty much the same as the other one, except with the gray color. Also, this actually stumbled across this set yesterday or last night. This is a new set called the what's it called? The Factory 500 horsepower. It is the new Walmart exclusive set, and it has 10 cars. So, but these are only 3 that I was really interested in. So, I'll just go down the list here. All these were there, and I think, if not, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are actually international cards. But we have a 2013 SRT Viper, a Cadillac CTS V, a Ford Shelby GT 350R. I did pick those up. That one was the orange. Sorry, that's orange color. But I actually picked them up from my buddy. He's more of a Mustang person. Same with this one, the 2010 Shelby GT 500 Super Snake. That's in red. 2012 Camaro ZL1 Concept. That's in green. A 2012 Corvette Z06. That's in white. A Bentley Continental Super Sports. That was a silver, dark grayish, I think, if I remember correctly. Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. A McLaren 720S, and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So those of you who know me, or those who have obviously followed my videos, I collect now more. I focus more on primarily on Euro and some JDM stuff. So and mostly supercar stuff. So I decided I really just wanted the last 3, which are number 8 is the Lamborghini Huracan LP 610. Interesting cards. If you notice, they all are similar cards. So they all have the tail end. So there's the Lamborghini. I think the Huracan is a pretty cool design overall. One of my favorites. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool series. Would have been nice if they're in the premium series, but as you know, a lot of the Walmart exclusives are going to be the mainline type series. Well, not price wise. So these because they are the Walmart exclusive, these run for $2.14 a piece. And if I counted correctly, I think there's basically two full sets in one case. So the second one here is of course, number 2. Oh, sorry, let's switch back. Number 9. Do the number 9 first. number 9 car is the McLaren 720S. I like the color on this one. Give you a show up there. So the McLaren 720S, they did and nothing really fancy about with these cars. They're nothing really with regards to the graphics. They're pretty standard, pretty plain. But mostly, I mean, at the end of the day, they're pretty much recolors of already existing castings that have been released. And of course, the number 10 piece, which I obviously would have gotten, or have gotten, is of course the Porsche 911 GT3 RS in yellow. So these are hitting Walmarts now, if they haven't already done so. Like I said, I stumbled across these yesterday, or late last night. I've been to a couple of other Walmarts today just to do some errands, and did not see this set there. So if you don't see it, just give it a few days. But there you go. That's the Porsche. Picked up a couple of these as well. GT3 RS. All right, and then the last pieces I want to share with you are some pieces I found at Target. So if you know Target, Target is now starting to get D-case in. Fortunately, I was able to find some pieces. Unfortunately, it was pretty much not much left. Somebody had already gone through a lot of them, but I found a few pieces that I collect. We have here a new recolor of the BMW M3 GT2. Haven't seen this casting. I'm trying to think, actually. Haven't seen this casting in a while. I want to say, I might have to double check, but I want to say the last time we saw this casting is when they did the Walmart exclusive BMW set. So this is D-case. I kind of like the deco on this one. Nothing really fancy. Wondering. No, we've seen these. I want to say we've seen these wheels, but they almost look like the Matchbox, some Matchbox wheels. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Are these new wheels? Or it looks like a variation of a Matchbox wheel almost. Yeah, cool piece, right? Next one I found is I haven't seen this one in quite a while either. This is, of course, the Subaru Wrx Sti Hatch. So for those who know Subaru, the last time they made a hatch was 2011, 2012. I know because I had a 2011. And I like this one. It's nice to see this one casting again. I haven't seen this one for quite a while as well, for maybe a couple of years. Obviously, it was it's never been a super, but it has been a regular treasure hunt. If you remember, many years ago, there was a kind of a battleship type gray super treasure hunt. Found a whole bunch of them too. But yeah, this is nice. And of course, you've seen this. We've obviously seen this casting in the Fast and Furious releases as well. So I kind of like this one. Good deco. Next one is, I believe it might be, correct me if I'm wrong, it might be a new casting. No, well, maybe. Yeah, I think this might be a new casting. This is the Lancia Delta Integral, and I think this might be the same one they're going to be including in the new Golf Transports. Very cool piece. It's got the Michelin deco on there, sponsor on there. This is a really cool piece. It'd be nice to see this one as a premium piece as well. Like they're doing with a lot of the rally cars. All right. Yeah, cool. I like that one. And the last piece I picked up, or I found, was this piece here. This is the new Porsche 935 Urban Outlaw. So we've obviously seen this deco as well, and many of the Porsche releases, many of the Urban Outlaw deco pieces. But there you go. It's the 935. There's actually two versions of this. I think the other one is, because my buddy sent me a picture of it. I don't have it in front of me, but I think it's all. I think the anything that's red here is reversed. So there's another version that's going to be coming out, which is going to be blue, blue hood there, and then red trim on the bottom. But there you go. And so that will go into the Porsche case as well. All right. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this matchbox while we have a couple more minutes here. The Hitch and haul. Of course, you remember a lot of old hatchbacks that had tow hitches, even in some of the Porsches, which is kind of funny. The old Leslie Porsches had trailer hitches as well. And then they did a lot of RV releases, camper releases, in earlier pieces as well. But so this is the, so we got a flagman here. We got a guy with a shovel. So again, it'd be nice if they were painted, but I guess it wouldn't be too hard for those who are hobbyists that like to do that type of stuff. You could. And of course, you got a wheelbarrow. Not that I really care about the wheelbarrow, and kind of a caution gate here. And then, of course, the actual, let's see if there's anything special with this. Got the cement mixer, which does not move. And then the truck itself. Let me scroll out here. There you go. So that is the Hitch and haul. All right. Well, that's all I have to share with you guys for now. Until then, happy hunting, and we'll talk to you guys later. We have a club meet coming on February 6th, so hopefully, if I don't do a video by then, before then, I'll talk to you next time. Have a good one.